How to fix Instagram unsent message problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, just go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here apps. Click apps again. It is one for Android phones. Type here Instagram. Now click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and go to data usage and give it all of those here. Give it all give it all of those, yes. Just make sure all of those are enabled, and then if you have an iPhone, turn off your Wi-Fi, then close all the applications, applications in the background, and then restart your phone and turn it on again. And if that doesn't fix it, it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.